Hello guys, welcome back. So now we have another question today. We have a scenario like there is a PC1 and PC2. PC1 is connected with the switch and PC2 is also connected with the same switch. PC2 where it is connected, that is configured as a trunk port, and PC1 where it is connected, it is an access port and which is the member of the VLAN 10. Which both PC have the same IP address, means both PC have the IP address from the same subnet 10.0.0.1 and PC2 have the IP address 10.0.0.2. So question is, both will communicate to each other or not? That is also a scenario based question. So PC1 and PC2, they have the IP address from the same subnet. PC1 is connected with an access port, which is the member of the VLAN 10. PC2 is connected with a trunk port. So both will not be able to communicate in this scenario, guys. Why? Because of, if it's a member of the VLAN 1, then it will communicate. Because on the trunk interface, when the PC1, suppose you are trying to reach the PC1 to PC2, you are just going to use the ping command for which IP address 10.0.0.2. So what the PC2 will do there now, first it will send the, PC1 will send the ARP request. And it will be encapsulate the L2 header, source MAC will be there, the PC1 MAC address, and destination MAC will be a broadcast MAC address, FFF, all F will be there. All F will be there. So PC1 will send the traffic and switch will receive, it's a member of, suppose it's a member of a VLAN 10 now. Then in that case, what will happen? It will receive without tag, but now it is going to forward it on trunk interface. So by default, VLAN 1 is their native. VLAN 10 is not a native VLAN. So what the switch will do there now, switch will forward this data frame, will encapsulate the ARP request, and here it will be put the .1q header, and tagging VLAN will be there, that is 10, and then after that L2 header. So what will happen in that case, once the end user will receive a data frame with the .1q header, it will drop it, will not be communicate. So packet will be reached from PC1 to PC2, but PC2, once it will be received, it will get there the .1q header, so it will drop it. They are not going to make the communication. So how they can make the communication? Either this PC should be should be the VLAN 1. This VLAN should be the 1. Either what we can do on this interface, we can make the VLAN number 10 as a native VLAN. Once we'll make the native VLAN as a 10, then what will happen in that case? Now the same scenario will again happen. PC1 will send the packet. ARP request it will send. And it is coming from the VLAN number 10. It is going to forward on this interface, trunk interface, but because of the VLAN 10 is a native, so we'll forward it without tag. PC2 will receive it now, and then after that what it will do, it will send the reply message. Reply message will be also without tag. Reply also will not have any tag because of its end user, it is going to forward the traffic without tag. So what the switch will do, once it will get a traffic on this trunk interface which is without tag, what the switch will understand now, switch will assume this traffic is coming from the native VLAN and it's a member of the VLAN 10, and it will forward it on this interface. Now in that case, both the PC will communicate to each other. So only there is two cases how they can make the communication. There is two way. Either you can put into the VLAN number 1 instead of the 10. Either what you can do, you can make the native VLAN 10 here to make the communication. Thank you guys.